stuff from factories and gets into the water. Factories and farms sometimes let out chemicals and dirty water into the rivers and oceans. This can make the water unsafe for swimming and drinking. And sometimes we don't throw away our trash properly and it ends up in the water. It's important to put our trash in the bin so it doesn't end up in our rivers and oceans. When the water is dirty, it can hurt the fish and other animals that live in it. It can make people sick. But there's good news. We can help up our water. We can recycle our trash, pick up litter, and be careful not to pollute the water. Let's all work together to keep our water clean and healthy. We can all do our parts to make sure our rivers and oceans are clean and safe for everyone. And that's your water pollution update for today. Again, this is Amaya Felix Emersene, your new reportee. Stay safe and stay dry, everyone.